Fridays can be dangerous, but last Friday or yesterday was a calm Friday because there was not much action. There was no crazy volatility or any illogical moves in the market. Rather, market stayed in a range. And right now we can see that gold is sideways. So in a market condition like this, especially the retail traders or traders with small capital should be extra careful. So if you are trading with a small capital, watch the video carefully, listen to me carefully, because right now there are lots of traps in the market. And as we all know, weekly closing is always important, and the weekly closing above 4500 gave us the indication that buyers are not ready to surrender. In our previous videos also, we have discussed one thing clearly, that for the market to take a trend, it needs to cross either 4450 on the downside or 4600. If market breaks 4450, then it's an indication that sellers are dominating the market again. Market is under pressure, so we can go for sell position. And if market breaks 4600, it's an indication that buyers are back in the game again, so we can look for a buy position, not for swing trading, but yes, for temporary. But as long as market is trading inside this range 4600, 4450, things are dicey. Trend of the market is not clear, and sadly the fundamentals are also not helping us, because fundamentals give direction to the market. Charts react after the fundamentals, okay, but right now the fundamentals are also not helping us regarding the direction. So my dear friend, if you're wondering what is the trend of the market right now, then sadly we do not have a clear answer. So this is the market where day traders can wait for the levels and make some money. So if you enter on the middle of the chart, then there is a high chance that you will be trapped. As we all know, sideways market are not very friendly for the traders. Why? Because most of the retail traders lose patience, enter on the middle of the chart, end up losing money. So don't make the mistake. Listen to me carefully. If you look at the daily chart of gold, then obviously there is not much to discuss here, because overall trend of the market is bullish. The market is an uptrend, there is no doubt about it. So if you're a positional traders, then obviously you only have one strategy, which is buy at dip. If market dips also, it will be better for you, because you'll get a better entry. For example, here 4500 is a crucial level. In case market comes down, then the next level for position traders to grab will be around 4000 or 4100, because every dip is a great opportunity for you for the positional traders. Why? Because positional trading means you are holding a position for a couple of months to couple of years. But if you are a swing trader, then obviously gold is not the ideal instrument to trade right now, because swing traders, you either need clean swings in the market or you need a trend in the market, and right now both the things are missing here. So if you're a swing trader, then it will be better and safer for you to look for opportunities outside gold, because right now you either need to be a positional trader or you need to be a day trader, okay, because these two trading styles will fit best. And my dear friends, you can become a part of our WhatsApp trading community. If you're serious about trading, looking for some guidance, looking for daily analysis and updates, you can join our WhatsApp community by opening your trading account in Vantage Markets. Vantage Market is one of the most reliable forex trading broker globally. If you check out their ratings, you can see that thousands and thousands of traders around the world are trusting Vantage. Vantage not only very popular among the retail traders, but they also have more than 5 million registered users. And the best thing about Vantage Market is that they also provide compensation up to 20,000 euros. So if you are wondering about the safety of your capital, then also Vantage is the perfect option for you. So open your account with Vantage Markets and become a member of our WhatsApp community. The link is in the description. So we are back on the hourly time frame of gold. So we can see that there is no major structural change on the chart of gold. So 4450 still remains the best support zone. So during the day, not during the day, okay, on Monday, if market drops also, okay, we can expect the market to take support around 4450, 4455. In a previous video, we also discussed about another support around the dotted line that you see here, which is 4480, 4475. So it totally depends on the volume right now. On Monday, if you see market coming down with low volume, you can expect 448075 to provide support to the market. But in case you see a big red candle, then it will be better for you to wait for 4450, 4455. In a previous video, we discussed one thing clearly, that my dear friends, this market is full of traps right now. So be careful. Okay, so here, so if you see the market is going down, market is breaking your level, so there's a high chance that market is going for liquidity sweep or SL hunting. So it will be better for you to wait patiently. So when market will be coming up again, you can buy there. For example, if you see market breaking 448075, wait. When market will be coming up again, buy above 447576. Similarly, if you see that market is going down, okay, wait for the right time. When market will be coming up again, you can buy above 4450. Yes, you can buy above 4450, means after the liquidity sweep. Because in our, not in our videos actually, okay, for the last couple of weeks we have seen that each and every day market is grabbing liquidity. So market is not coming to the zone perfectly, rather it is grabbing the liquidity, hunting down all the stop losses and then going up. So next time when market will be coming down, okay, if you see the market is not respecting your level, wait patiently, wait for a liquidity sweep and then market to go up, because there's a high chance of market going down, as market has already tested 4500 two times. And if you look at the structure of the market, you can see market is also forming lower highs here. So there's a little pressure here, as because of the lower highs at the top, there's a possibility that on Monday market will either go down, take support, or market will grab the liquidity and go up. So we can buy around this area. It will be better for you to buy after the liquidity grab. Okay, as of now, as we do not have any strong fundamental reason for the market to be bearish again, so I feel that there's a high chance that gold will hold the level of 4450. Anyways, stay in touch with the news. As we all know, US President Donald Trump is full of surprises. Okay, ending from his Twitter handle, okay, will cause panic. So stay in touch with the news as well. Anyways, okay, these are the two levels, okay, where we can look for buy position. I am not suggesting you any sell position as of now, because right now the market is sideways. We are just looking for the right opportunity. Similarly, at the top we have a similar scenario as we have discussed in our previous video also. Okay, we have two levels, 4570 and then 4585, 4600. Okay, so here also we have a similar scenario. If you see market is going up, possibility of a breakout is little low. Okay, so I'm expecting the market to, okay, to grab the liquidity and come down. For example, on Monday, if you see market market going up, okay, wait patiently. When market is coming down again, you can look for a sell above below 4570. Similarly, if market goes up, then after liquidity sweep around 4600, we can buy sell below 4600. So on both the instances, if you see market is going for a breakout, better sell after the liquidity sweep. Why? Because right now the direction of the market is not clear and fundamentals are also not helping us. Yes, we can look for a breakout when we will see market taking support and then going up, means we can buy at pullback. Yes, we can buy at pullback when 4600 will, when 4600, this level will become the new support. Unless it becomes a new support, it will be better for us to look for sell position when it will be coming down. Means we can sell below 4600 or 4570 after the liquidity sweep. But one thing I would like to mention here is that you can see this is a zone here. So if you see the market, okay, market after hitting 4590, market is going down, then also we can look for a sell position. But possibility of liquidity sweep is very high, because if you look at the last 2-3 months, then yes, liquidity sweep has become very common. Okay, anyways, this is the current scenario right now. Trend of the market is not clear, so we are just sticking to the levels. Hopefully by Monday or Tuesday, okay, when the level will be long, the tunnel will be longer, market will be out of the range soon. But as of now, there is no clarity. So as long as market is trading inside the range or market is range bound, let's play along. Okay, and hopefully there will be more clarity in the coming days, and we will get a trending market, because trending markets are easier, okay, to trade in comparison to this type of market. So previously, around a couple of years ago, buy at support, seller resistance was the simple strategy we could follow. Okay, buy at support, seller resistance. Okay, but nowadays, because of the AI, okay, because of the AI, liquidity sweeps, SL hunting have become very common. So we also need to adapt. Okay, we also need to be flexible. Okay. Anyways, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.